Kapna Student Movement PSM Central Body ha kajing lam khman u President Kaseng u Samla M Bha Pasa haringkan u General Secretary Samla Leo F Suam bat ki khwat Kaseng hinne gasingi kata ka khanai 3 August aja san kila ledi kendu ya ki he gajiu ki belawan na Guwahati Shillong bat ki in charge ki jiu ki badon Hapoh ka Janti Hills Brockway ha gani gajing kendu meeting na kaliang ki he jong ka office jiu ki la kubur badan kajing makla ka jongki ha kajing ade bat kajing bom shimkia ka jongki halo kajing ujor ka seng ha kini kisngi bladam kumta ka ni kajing akran ka seng ka labu po de kajiyo ban Biang ka network Hapoh Shitaïew ha ka ban kaliang kinong tre ka jiyo ru kilakula bandon da ka joint inspection rengkat bat ki dekhat ka seng na ka benta ban Biang ya ka network jiyo kat kum ka jinon kam jongki pat ba kat ban kaliang kinong elam jong ka PSM kila Maham ban Khang Tala shi sundan ya ka Ophis jiyo ha jawai Lada kam shimkia ya kate kapor bla bu da ka seng.
So yesterday the Pana student movements come to office of Jiwa. They asked to shut down the office because of the port network. So today we have meetings with all the our respected Pana student movements members, president, secretary, everyone. So we have decided, we have conclusions that from Monday onward we will have a joint visit and we will rectify the issues, and by within this next week we will solve all the issues. That's all.